Hi, if you are new here, welcome to Best Kitchen Guide. In this channel, we aim to inform you about the latest and greatest tools that are used in kitchen and cooking. If a product passes our rigorous testing, only then it gets recommended by us so that our viewers don't have to face any buyer's remorse. Our evaluating process includes extensive testing, features, and prices. So if you pick the items featured in this video, you can be well assured that you are buying the best product possible. Please check the description below for our featured top 5 product links from Amazon for updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get started.
Our number one choice for top 5 best microwave oven is Toshiba microwave oven. This Toshiba 1.2 cubic feet 1100 watt black stainless steel microwave is the ideal size for apartment kitchens or office break rooms. Sensor reheating lets you optimally cook 6 of the most popular food items with the touch of a button. Choose from 10 power levels up to 1100 watts. The large digital display has a clock function and can also display a countdown timer as well as the cooking time remaining. Program up to 3 favorite time and power combinations for additional one-touch convenience. Easily open or close the microwave with the large, easy-to-grip door handle. The black stainless steel exterior looks good in any kitchen. The microwave can be turned on for 1 to 6 minutes at 100% power by simply touching the number of minutes you would like to cook. If additional cooking time is needed while the microwave is running, press the start button to add an additional 30 seconds of cooking time. Number 2 in our side is Black & Decker Digital Microwave Oven. If you're working with a small counter space or you simply require microwaves for heating or cooking small quantities of meals, then this small Black & Decker microwave is an excellent option. The 10-inch turntable is able to accommodate a tiny serving dish or mug with a low profile but not more. As a guideline, the dimensions of the inside are 12 by 13 inches by 8 inches. It does not just have the most popular presets for potato, popcorn and frozen vegetables as well, but also lets you set up as many as 3 functions that you are most likely to utilize. A few of the most essential features on the control panel include black letters on the background of gray, which could make it difficult to discern in dim light. To cook or reheat food items using the control panel, select Time Cook and choose from the 10 different power levels. Thawing frozen meals, vegetables, or casseroles is easy using 2 options, Time Defrost as well as Wait Defrost. There's also an option to use a clock as well as a kitchen timer option. For everything from pizza or popcorn, it is easy to cook your favorite foods at the click of one button. Sensor technology will ensure perfect results each time. Simply select one of the 6 buttons that have been programmed and the microwave will automatically adjust the cooking time as well as the power level. Third in our best microwave oven list is Amazon Basics Microwave. This was until Amazon launched the Amazon Basics microwave that allows users to use simple voice commands to direct the microwave to cook your food. The manual microwave functions operate with or without Alexa as with any other microwave, however the functions that are available on the control panel are not as extensive. The microwave has an alarm clock, a power level button as well as an add 30-second button, as well as 3 presets to make popcorn or wait defrost. By using voice commands you are able to access additional sophisticated features, such as defrost 8 ounces of ground beef or reheat 1 cup of coffee, and Amazon keeps adding new options. Be aware of the fact that it's a tiny microwave that has 700 watts of power. It's on the lower side, meaning it's taking longer to cook food items. An 8-inch plate for dinner is sufficient, however, nothing bigger. It's now easy to defrost your vegetables and popcorn, prepare potatoes, and heat rice. With the Echo device, the Quick Cook presets and a streamlined keypad, you can ask Alexa to begin microwaving. Small size means less counter space, and comes with 10 power levels as well as a timer for the kitchen as well as a child lock and an electronic turntable. Our fourth pick is Breville BMO 650 SIL Microwave Oven. This attractive and quiet microwave isn't any more or less. A mute button shuts off all sound beeps, as well as the door that is softly shut boasts to be silent for 80% more than other microwaves on today's market. It is no longer necessary to remind our children to close the door of the microwave slowly regardless of the force, as it instantly catches and closes silently. Its control panel appears huge and the buttons that are slightly raised are simple to use. Instead of a numeric keypad, you'll find a slender dial that feels as if it is clicking as it moves through seconds and minutes quickly. It has buttons that are pre-programmed for defrost popcorn, reheating drinks, as well as food menus that contain the presets that are for baked potatoes, reheating pizza, and defrosting frozen vegetables. They are coded, which means it could require a few attempts to figure out which code corresponds to what function. Foods are heated efficiently and evenly. The microwave on the countertop has small footprint and the capacity of 25L and all the space it takes to prepare, cook, and heat delicious meals. Auto buttons that are one touch, including reheat and defrost, as well as popcorn and beverage, which gives you access to your preferred settings, and food menu features like reheat pizza, defrost veggies, or cook potatoes to make easy and quick meals. Let's watch more. Last in this list is Panasonic microwave oven. This Panasonic NNSN75LB microwave that comes with cyclonic wave technology and Genius sensor is a sleek black appearance, and the ability to defrost, cook and reheating features, which are perfect for families with busy schedules. In all temperatures, the cyclonic wave moves heat through precise and efficient 3D waves to facilitate cooking and preparation of food that is more flexible even when it comes to more complicated food texture. This remarkable 1250 watt 1.6 cubic foot capacity microwave with a enameled metal inside and 14.96-inch turntable is equipped with patented inverter technology that, in contrast to conventional microwaves that depend on pulse-on and pulse-off power for lower temperatures, offers an uninterrupted stream of cooking power at all temperatures to ensure that meals are cooked evenly from edges to centers every time. It's packed with features such as an instant 30 to 30-minute cook time, a more and less button to control cook times in 10 seconds increments, a short minute timer, a delay start feature, and an emergency lock for children. We like the feature to keep warm that can run for as long as 30 minutes after the cook time is over. It is added at the start of the cooking process. Sensor cook buttons comes with 14 presets, ranging including oatmeal, fish fillets and more, but make sure to keep the owner's manual as there are many codes to keep track of.